Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with one more wonderful video. Hope you guys like this video. Today we are going to unbox this Milton Coolrover jar which I brought it yesterday for 700 rupees, and let me explain you the advantages of this box. We can let's consider a situation where you go for an outing with your family, where you were around 15 to 16 people. Then this jar is very helpful. You can fill it with a chilled water and go for an outing, and it will be sufficient for 15 to 16 people. It will save around 300 to 400 rupees, which you pay outside for just purchasing this mineral water bottles. So we had faced we have faced this similar problem, and we paid around 600 to 700 rupees just for a water when we went outside for an outing. So hope this is helpful for you guys. If you were not aware of this homeware intelligent home, you can buy it online. Search a link for you guys. If I find a link for this product, I'll definitely share with you guys in description box. If you guys like this video, please share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you were not subscribed yet. A bell icon for latest video notification. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Happy day ahead.